Welcome to simplystreetbikes.com. Today we have a 2009 Honda CBR600RR. This bike is in immaculate condition. 2009, has just a little over 5,000 miles. It is a great bike for a great price. As you can see, the tires have plenty of tread left. The undertail exhaust, that is the stock exhaust. Both seats, rear and front, are free of any rips and tears. Tank is free of any dings, chips, or dents in it. Gorgeous glossy black paint. This bike is completely stock, has not been added to or taken away from. Let's get a look at that mileage. Get the glare off there. 5,688 miles. Let's start it up for you. This bike, along with all the other bikes that we sell, come through a 24-point inspection, as well as most of our bikes come with a 30-day or 1,000-mile warranty. Thank you for visiting us here at simplystreetbikes.com.